Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object for you, which is, well, that will be leftover socks number 5. Ooh. Right, I'm in the zone of knitting socks from leftovers. Maybe because I got a lovely parcel from a friend with all her leftovers that she was knitting probably socks, and I just can't stop knitting them using her yarn. No worries, I have my own too. Right, if you're interested to do something similar, just check hashtag leftover socks, and I hope you're going to see some of my photos over there, and I'm hoping to see some of yours. Right, now you probably are wondering how to knit socks. If you're interested how to knit socks, I'm going to put a link down below to the step-by-step tutorial how I do it. The way I like to do it, I like to start with the toes, going up with the tube, mark the sides, and then do some bits to cut the yarn, and then add afterthought heel. However, previous socks that I've knitted, maybe I put them, check my playlist socks, I did a bit of an interesting cuff. Am I saying it right? A finish of the sock over here. So everything goes as normal, although by normal I mean normally I increase the toe until 56 stitches, and I did that over here, and I knit the tube until I run out of yarn, and that's the story with leftover socks, that I'm knitting until I run out of yarn. So maybe one cuff is bigger than the other one, but that's the beauty of hand knitted socks. I finished it, as you could see, with some lovely folding bits. I love knitting folded brims for hats, and I thought maybe I'll try it over here, and I love this finish. It looks so nice. So now I did 45 rounds over here, and I'm thinking I'm going to gift this sock to someone who has slightly smaller feet than I have. What do you think? Brilliant idea. I'm not sure will it fit that person properly, but I'm going to chance it. I live on the edge. I live on a knitting edge. Anyway, so I'm hoping that person is going to love it and enjoy it, and I know will watch this video, so I'm very happy to gift it to you. So as you can see, a little bit slides off my sock blocker, and this was just 1/2 of the leftover. So the leftover that I used looked exactly the same. This is the second part, and I was thinking to keep it or maybe even swap with someone. We shall see how that goes. Or maybe knit the same socks. So far I'm using the same bag, hand-knit bags by them. I'm just putting more socks over here. I finished one more pair, so hopefully in the future I'm going to post finished project videos, so stay tuned. And meanwhile, in progress, I'm knitting another one, and this time it's not just stockinette stitch, it is pattern. So I decided I'm going to try to go through my patterns that I have on Ravelry and that I got. They're free, paid for patterns, and just do a bit of that lovely texture that the designer created, and over here as one. So as you can see, this is what I do. I start with magic loop to do a toe, and then I'm switching it to 9-inch circular knitting needles, and I keep them in my pouch. If you're interested, what's that about? Check the links down below, check my shop, and I hope you're going to find something you like. I think that's it. Say hi to me on Instagram. Don't forget to use hashtag join us for that fun idea, and happy knitting. Bye!